Good morning, Claire and Ian. Hold it, and I can't wait for this very interesting discussion this morning. Good morning, Nigeria. Here is the news. As directed by President Bola Tinubu, the Chief of Defense Staff, General Christopher Musa, has engaged heads of security and intelligence agencies to review operational strategies in the South-South to curb security threats and improve oil production.
Oil thefts and vandalism have become a major national issue. We do have line of sight around what must be done, what should be done. Mr. President has directed the CDS to ensure that we contain this within the shortest frame of time.
We're going to work together as a team. All the operations will be harmonized.
We need the cooperation of everybody. All agencies are collaborating. We need the cooperation of members of the public.
And in line with President Tinubu's administration's efforts to improve the nutritional status of Nigerians, the National Council on Nutrition has approved new measures to combat malnutrition and food insecurity in Nigeria. Vice President Kashim Shettima at a stakeholders meeting called for active and proactive participation from all involved.
It was a meeting whereby the Ministry of Health laid out the initiatives for tackling nutrition, the nutrition crisis, we all call it. And that, of course, involves working with expectant mothers and, of course, the children, particularly for the first 1,000 days of their lives.
The Senate Committee on Finance has met with heads of key ministries and agencies of government as it seeks for a more effective strategy to revamp the economy.
And we're very optimistic that by December this country will be net exporter. That means combination of production coming from us and also from the Dangote refinery and other smaller producing companies that we know are in line to do this.
I've come to realize that the easiest way for Nigeria to come out of its economic problems is through the oil and gas sector.
We have had negativities in the economy, and now we are trying to bring the positivities to work.
As the rains intensify, cholera cases are also increasing across the country, and the Nigerian Center for Disease Control and Prevention, NCDC, is saying other epidemic-prone diseases such as yellow fever, Lassa fever, and meningitis are now being reported to be on the rise.
Some states may not be reporting because they feel it is stigma. Because if you say you have cholera in a state, they may not like it. But the fact is that if they don't report, they are endangering the lives of their people.
And the Rwandan President Paul Kagame wins fourth term in office in a landslide victory of 99.15% of the votes cast in Monday's presidential election. And that's the news for now. Good morning, Nigeria continues shortly after the break with Claire and Ian.